Hey guys, happy Wednesday. So by now for writing, you should have written your first paragraph, which is your whether, where, and doing. You should have written your second paragraph, which is your prompt, and added detail and dialogue to those paragraphs. Today, you're going to write both 3 and 4 if you haven't already done so. So paragraph 3 will be climax, what happens that changes in the story. So they've made a wish. We know what they've wished for. How did they get the wish? That's the climax. And then how do we end the story? We wrap it up at the end. So for mine, okay, so let me show you an example. Remember, my first paragraph was my whether, where, and what we were doing. My second paragraph is my prompt, what we wanted to do, how we wanted to get a wish. Okay. The fountain was filled with coins. I said what I wished for. So my third and fourth paragraph are going to be the climax, which is the most exciting part of the story. How is the wish granted? And then wrap it up in the end for end story. So paragraph 3, I wrote, our next stop was Body Works. It is a store that sells soaps and perfumes. They were having a great sale on bubble bath. When we went to pay, the cashier handed us a scratch-off ticket. My brother Charlie scratched it and it said, winner. What did we win? I asked. The lady explained that we had won a spa day. It included a massage, pedicure, manicure, and facial. My heart raced with excitement. It was the perfect gift for Mom. So here is where their wish came true. If you have rubbed on a lamp and a genie came out, how did he grant your wish? If you wished on a shooting star, how did you know that your wish came true? So make sure you've already said what you wished for. You've already told where you are and what you're doing. Now, how did this wish come true? That's going to be paragraph 3. For paragraph 4, the ending. We went home and wrapped the bubble bath along with the spa day certificate. When Mom came in from a hard day at work, we presented her with her present. She looked shocked. She began to cry tears of joy. No one deserved a spa day more than my hardworking mom. My wish came true. So there's the ending, and you can even end it with my wish came true. Okay, the prompt asked us how our wish came true. So we're not making a wish that doesn't come true. If you need any help, ask Miss Hunter. You will type these on Friday. So everything for now needs to be handwritten. And there's a reason for that, and you can see that on Thursday. All right, guys, have a great day.